When Boeing launched the 777X in 2013, it was meant to redefine long-haul flying. Two variants were planned: the high-capacity 777-9 and the ultra-long-range 777-8. More than a decade later, only one of them is resonating with airlines. The 777-8 was designed for extreme range, echoing the earlier 777-200 LR. But the market has shifted. Airlines today prioritize flexibility and revenue density, not niche ultra-long-haul missions that are difficult to sustain year-round. That leaves the 777-8 squeezed from both sides. Internally, the larger 777-9 offers similar range with far more seats and stronger per-flight economics. Externally, Airbus A350 family provides a proven, readily available alternative at a time when delivery certainty matters more than specifications. Add years of 777X delays and billions in program charges, and the risk profile becomes hard to justify. Technically impressive, the 777-8 increasingly looks like an aircraft without a clear role, designed for a market that has quietly moved on.